Welcome back to the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam & Go is a steal at just $99, making it a fantastic value for budget-conscious shoppers. Reviewers praise its performance and affordability, especially for families with kids. On the other hand, the Bissell PowerFresh is priced at $185. While it's a bit of a splurge, many users feel the dual functionality of vacuuming and steaming justifies the cost, especially for those looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution. Next, let's talk versatility. The Steam & Go is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. It has 10 functions. Users rave about its ability to clean a variety of surfaces, from floors to upholstery. Conversely, the Bissell PowerFresh offers dual-action cleaning, allowing you to vacuum and steam simultaneously. Reviewers appreciate this feature for saving time, though they caution that it might not be as powerful as standalone devices. Both products excel in versatility, but they cater to slightly different needs. Now, on to cleaning power. The Steam & Go features a dual-tank system and boasts a strong steam output that users liken to a cleaning superhero. Reviewers find it effective for daily cleaning, although some have noted minor issues with durability. The Bissell, meanwhile, claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and performs well on various messes, including pet hair. However, some users mention that, while it cleans effectively, it may struggle with tougher stains. Overall, both products provide solid cleaning capabilities. Now, let's discuss user experience. The Steam & Go comes with a 20-foot power cord, allowing for easy maneuverability. Users appreciate its lightweight design and quick heating time. On the flip side, the Bissell features easy-touch digital controls, which many find intuitive, but some users report that maneuvering can be cumbersome. Overall, both products offer good user experiences, but the Steam & Go edges out slightly due to its ease of use. Overall, users of the Steam & Go are generally satisfied with its performance and value for money, while reviewers of the Bissell PowerFresh appreciate its dual functionality, despite some minor drawbacks. So, there you have it. The Steam & Go is your versatile, budget-friendly friend, while the Bissell PowerFresh is a high-tech multitasker. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow cleaning enthusiasts. Product links are in the description. Until next time, remember to buy smart.